Hey guys, Todd here. Today we're going to install the epic running boards from Black Horse on our 2021 F-150 SuperCrew. For this installation, we'll be using a 13mm wrench and a Phillips head screwdriver. Well, make sure you're subscribed to our channel to keep up to date with all of our latest content. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, we're underneath the truck right now. We're looking at the rocker panel. We're actually towards the rear on the driver's side. What we're going to do first, we've got these plastic isolators that go over top of these factory studs. These are your mounting positions. If you see these three studs here, you're going to have three locations on the bottom of the truck that look just like this. And this is the rearmost location, so here we go. Once our isolators are in position, we can go ahead and grab the bracket and set that in place. Next, we'll take three provided flat washers and then the three provided nylock nuts. Now make sure the bracket is flat against the rocker panel. Take a 13mm and go ahead and tighten all that down. All right, now we're going to go ahead and install our bracket cover. Now this is directional. If you turn it this way, it's kind of long here in the center. This way it's short. The short goes to the bottom, long goes to the top. Set the bracket cover in place, line it up to the holes in the bracket. We're going to take our plastic fasteners and push it through both sides. All right, now we can go ahead and connect that with a Phillips head screwdriver. All right, now our other two brackets are going to install the exact same way. All right, so this is our running board. What we're going to do is we're going to flip it upside down. On the bottom, we're going to notice we've got a couple of channels that run the entire length of the board. At each end, there's a couple of cutouts. We're going to take the square-headed bolts, insert them into the channels. We're going to do 4 per channel. And once we get them in there, we're going to evenly space them along the length of the board. All right, now I've already got the board placed up on top of the brackets. Now what we're going to do, this is the rear bracket. We're going to do the exact same thing on all 3 brackets. Take the bolts in the track, line them up to the holes in the brackets and let them drop down through. Once all 3 brackets are lined up to the bolts, then go ahead and loosely attach the hardware. We've got a flat washer, lock washer, and nut. Now once it's loose on there, we can adjust the board front to back, bring it all the way to the brackets, and then go ahead and tighten those down with a 13mm once we've got everything situated the way we want it. The same is going to be repeated on the other brackets. We'll just repeat the exact same process on the opposite side, and that will conclude the installation. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up. If you want to know more about the product, click the link in the description below. What do you think about the Black Horse Epic running boards? Let us know in the comments. Well, as always, if you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online.